Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 15th, 2023. Already solved here 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this will be number 7455. 7455. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12, and it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you: are there any single boxes in this puzzle? I see here 2 single boxes, always a 1. Let me mark those. Let me put the 1 here in those single boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here this box can be a 1, so the only box left for the 1 should be here, and the 2 should be there. Here the 1 and the 2, I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Next question: do we have here triple boxes? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information, insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Then my next question: do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. We have here a quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this box, inside box is always a 5. Okay. And these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only 1 shape of this kind here. Then the following shape, how about this shape? And let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, upside down, this one. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. But also in this T shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More T shapes in this box? Oh, nope. Then the following shape, how about that L shape? We have here the L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Total shapes. Well, we have here 5 shapes that you need to recognize, but maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be as a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I mark this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I need to think. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for these 2 boxes. We have a double 1 there. So I cannot place the 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. No 1 here, no. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. And these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. And these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. This this box. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, should be 2 and 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 2, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, and can be a 5, so yeah, definitely a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 goes there. So 1 number left in this quadra box for number 2. I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes, elevated 4. We have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now, let me see. I think this box should be 3. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. So it can't be 2 anymore. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Let me go up. Okay. Let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Let me see. Interesting. Well, I marked those 2 boxes elevated 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Then can be 2. Well. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Interesting. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, cannot be here. We have a double 5 here. Okay, so this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. It's connected with that box with 2 and 4, but there can be a 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box will be definitely a 4. It's connected with that box, will be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 1. So 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for this 4 and a 3. Well, can I place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. And the 4 goes there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.